water and weather. Activity: Tabletop garden terrarium. Theory: Terrarium is an enclosed see-through garden. Fun fact: sometimes people keep live animals inside large terrariums, and then it is called a vivarium. What we need: empty, clean 2-liter bottle with caps, small rocks or pebbles, soil, water. It's best to use a spray bottle to keep your terrarium at the right moisture level after it's planted. Small plants: choose hardy plants that prefer shade or a part sun, since your terrarium will be inside. A pair of scissors. Optional materials could be activated charcoal or carbon, moss. How we do it? Step 1. Cut the 2-liter bottle in half with some good adult size scissors. Seek help from elderly person. Step 2. Put a handful of pebbles in the bottom of the bottle about 1 inch deep. Step 3. Optional. Put a thin layer of activated charcoal over the pebbles. The charcoal acts as a filter for the water, helping to clean it and keep down odors. Step 4. Optional. Fluff up the moss and put a thin layer over the top of the charcoal pebble layer. The moss acts as a barrier between the soil and the charcoal or pebble layer. It retains moisture and keeps the soil from clogging up the pebbles. Step 5. Now add the soil about 4 inches deep. Step 6. Dig a hole in the soil for each plant and carefully place them in. Step 7. Gently pat down the soil around the roots of the plant. Step 8. Wet the soil slightly, not so much water that you turn your dirt to mud. You can also put a thin layer of moss over the soil to make it look cool. Step 9. Water the plants initially and keep them moist by misting periodically with a spray bottle. Step 10. Place the top half of the bottle over the bottom so that it fits snugly. You may need to make small slits inside with your scissors so that it will slide over the bottom part. Leave the cap on the bottle. Step 11. Keep your terrarium inside. That means out of the direct sunlight. Step 12. Spray water into the terrarium periodically to keep it moist. Step 13. You don't want the inside of the bottle to fog up. You will see water droplets forming inside the bottle though, which is a good thing. But you want to keep the soil from appearing dry. If the moisture builds up too much, take the cap off the bottle for a while to avoid mold. Step 14. Now you can watch as your plants grow and bloom inside the terrarium. What we learn: terrarium is a closed system for water, meaning that the water you initially put on the soil will cycle through the soil, moss, charcoal, rock layer into the plant's roots and out through the plant's leaves by the process of transpiration. You will see water vapor condensing as droplets on the inside of the bottle, and this water will fall back onto the soil to start the cycle again. This is why your terrarium is so low maintenance and you won't need to water it very much. So dear students, let's try to find out the answers to some questions that follows. Now, check your responses. So we hope you have liked this activity. Happy learning!